So today we will learn how to make decimal numbers to binary number calculator in Scratch. To convert a decimal number to binary number, for suppose let's three. First divide it by 2. Write the quotient below it and remainder next to it. If the quotient is 1, then write over here 1. If the quotient is not equal to 1, then do not write 1. In this case, the quotient is 1, so I am writing 1. For example, let's take a bigger number, for suppose 11. Then we have to write the number in reverse order also. Divide it by 2 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2. Here the remainder was 1. Here the remainder was 1. Now divide this 2 again by 2. Remainder quotient will come 1. Remainder will be 0. As the quotient is 1, will write 1 over here. Then write it in opposite order. That is first this 1, then this 0, then this 1, then this one, which means that 1011 is 11 in decimal numbers. So to make it, first of all, delete sprite 1 and add a host sprite. I'll choose a backdrop. I'll choose blue star. Drag every to bottom. Paint a new sprite. Name it as ask more. Now type over here ask more. Increase its size to your suitability. Now drag it to the center. Drag it to the suitable place. Select every. From events, select when flag clicked. From motion, select go to XY. Make a block, convert. And then drag convert. Now we'll define convert as first it will set answer to 0. We'll make a variable answer. Drag it to the center of the screen. Drag set answer to 0. From sentence and what's your name, change it to what is the number. Now make a variable ans. Drag set ans to answers. Something. And hide ans by unchecking the box. Rename my variable and set it as list length. Now make it named number. Uncheck the checkbox of number for now. To show you, I'll keep it unchecked. Drag delete all of number. Now from control, drag repeat until. From operator, drag a less than. In the right side, set ANS, and in the left side, change 50 to 2. Then drag add thing to number and change them to from operators, select mod, from variable select ANS, and then this side select right to. Now drag set ANS to ABS off, change it to floor ANS by 2. So we'll take example for suppose. Now it should add one more one. It should add a 1. So go to variable, select add a thing to number and change it to 1. Yes, now this works. Now we want this to be in the reverse order. So to change it, drag one more, repeat until from control. From operators, drag equal to and change it to 0. Before this, from variables, drag set ANS to, after add 1 to number, list length to length of number. Now drag list length equals 0. Drag change ANS by and change it to list length by -1. Then drag set answer to answer plus ABS off and change it to 10 to the power of list length from operators, drag multiplication and put this in one of the corner, list length into list length plus 1. Solution common. Let us check this. We'll type 101. Answer is 431. Sorry, this is This number is, here it will be item list length plus 1. Let's check this. Yes, now this is working. From looks, drag say hello, only hello, not for 2 seconds, otherwise it will disappear. And from variable, drag answer 11. Let us check for 3 1 1. This means that this works. Now you will code ask more. Go to events, drag when flag clicked, and when this sprite clicked, drag broadcast message one under when this sprite clicked and set it to ask more. From motion, drag go to X and Y under when flag clicked. Now go to every from events, drag when I receive ask more, convert. Now you can uncheck the list. Let us see if this works. 111011, right? 3115 Yes, this is working fine. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. Bye.